Today I've got some more dead lighters to shoot with the air rifle. A couple of them are pretty full, so it should be interesting. This first lighter's fairly full, only its flint is bad. The propane torch flame is passing about ½ an inch behind the lighter. Let's put a pellet into this lighter and see what happens. That was apparently a failure. I didn't see it light off. Let's try the second black lighter. It's also pretty full, and I've turned the torch way up, as you can probably hear. That appeared more successful. For the third and final shot, I have this green lighter. Doesn't seem to have as much fuel in it, but I'll try it anyway. Obviously, green had very little fuel. I barely got a flicker out of it.